Hello Prep3, my name is Mr. Hussein. I will teaching you math today. Today guys, I need you to focus with me because we are going to talk about a very important topic. It is very simple, but it is very important. So I need you to focus with me. We know that the math of Prep3 consists from algebra and statistics and geometry. But we will start with algebra and statistics. Algebra and statistics is consist from some units, like unit 1 with the title Relations and Functions. Relations and functions, it consists from some lessons, like lesson number 1 with the title Cartesian product. Cartesian product is very important. It is very important, but it is very simple. So I want to focus with me. Before we start, we have to see our lesson objectives. By the end of this session, you will be able to recognize the concept of the Cartesian product of two finite sets. Represent the Cartesian product of two finite sets by the arrow diagram and the graphical diagram or Cartesian diagram. Let's take our warm-up. Represent these points in coordinate plane. Point number 1 is called A, 2, and 3. Point number 2 is called 3 and 2. And we have a coordinate plane figure. Question number 2, what did you notice when you represent these points in coordinate plane? So, we have A, it is consist from 2 and 3. It is consist from 2 and 3 in x-axis and 3 in y-axis. So we will start from 2 in x-axis to reach the 3 in y-axis. Yes, it is A. B, it is consist from 3 in x-axis, 3 in x-axis, and 2 in y-axis. We will start from x, 3, to reach 2x. Yes, it is here. Lesson presentation. We have a new part is called ordered pair. Ordered pair. A and B is called an ordered pair when A is called a first projection and LB is called second projection, like 2 and 3. 2 is called first projection and 3 is called second projection. We have some remarks. Remark number 1, order AB doesn't equal PA, like 2 and 3 doesn't equal 3 and 2, like we said before. Look to this figure. Yes, we notice that point A doesn't equal point B like we said before. Remark number 2, the ordered pair is not a set and not interval, i.e. 2 and 3 in ordered pair doesn't equal a set of 2 and 3 doesn't equal interval 2 and 3. We have a new part is called the equality of two ordered pairs. If we have ordered pair A and P equal X and Y, ordered pair X and Y, we deduce that A and X, A in a first projection and X projection. So we deduce that A equal X, A equal X, and LP in a second projection, while Y in a second projection. We deduce that P equal Y. Yes, A equal X, P equal Y. For example, if we have A and P equal 2 and 3, so A will be 2 and P will be 3. If we have X and 2 equal -8 and Y, then X it will be negative 8, and y it will be negative 2. The Cartesian product. For any infinite and non-empty sets x and y, we get the Cartesian product of the set x by the set y, and it is denoted by x times y or x by y. We can say x times y or x by y is a set of all ordered pairs. Is a set of all ordered pairs. What I meaning by a set of all ordered pairs? It is a set of all ordered pairs. Of all ordered pairs whose first projection of each of them belongs to x and the second projection of each of them belongs to y, i.e. x times y or x product y is a set of ordered pair A and B, which A belongs to x and B belongs to y. For example, if we have x, it is a set 1 of 2, and y a set of y, and y a set of 5 and 7 and 8. We want to calculate or find x times y. X times y. How many elements in x? Yes, it is 2. How many elements in y? Yes, it is 3. So the product x times y, it will be 6. How can I get 6? By 2 times 3. It will be a set of 6 ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like the solution, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll take first element in x and pair with all element in y. So 1 and 5. So 1 and 5. 1 and 7. 1 and 8. 1 and 5, 1 and 7, 1 and 8. Then we will take 2, the second element, and pair with all elements in y. 2 and 5, 2 and 7, 2 and 8. Yes, 2 and 5, 2 and 7, 2 and 8. How many ordered pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How can I get 6 from x has 2 elements and y has 3 elements? It will be 6 elements. 6 elements, so we have 6 ordered pairs. We can represent x times y by 2 ways. First way, arrow diagram. The arrow diagram, it is consisted from 2 rectangles. Yes, x and y. X consists from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yep. X consists from 1 and 2. Y consists from 5, 7, 8. We will take 1 to 5, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. Yes, then 2 to 5, 2 to 7, 2 to 8. It is called arrow diagram. Second way is called the graphical diagram or Cartesian diagram. Look to this figure. It is a consist from x-axis and y-axis. X-axis or y-axis, because we start by x times y. Suppose we start by y times x. We will put y here and x here. Put elements of y here and elements of x here. Okay? Back to our example. Lx, it is a consist from. 1 and 2. Yes, it is consisted from 1 and 2. Put here 1 and put here 2. y consists from 5 and 7 and 8. Our order pairs consist from 1 and 5. Yes, 1 and 5. 1 and 7. 1 and 8. Second element, 2 and 5. 2 and 7. 2 and 8. Look to this figure. It is consists from 6 ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you understand? Great job. Example number 2. If we have a set X, it consists from 2 elements, 1 and 2, and set Y consists from 5 and 7 and 8, 3 elements. Find Y times X. Notice that he wants Y times X, not X times Y. Then represent Y times X by 2 ways. By 2 ways. It is very simple. It is very simple. We want to start by Y. Start by Y. Okay. How many elements in Y? It is 3 times. How many elements in X? It is 2. Yes. The number of all elements, it will be 6. So we have Y times X. It is consist from 6 ordered pairs. 6 ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We start from Y, so we will take the first element in Y and pair with all elements in X. 5 and 1. Then 5 and 2. We finished 5, yes. We will start from 7. 7 and 1. Then 7 and 2. We finished 7, yes. Go to 8. 8. 8 and 1. And 8 with 2. Are you finished? Yes, we finished. Don't forget representism. But don't forget representism. Yes. We have 2 ways. Arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. This consists from 2 rectangles. Yes. 2 rectangles. Start from Y. Yes. Because we want to Y times X. This is Y and this is X. Y consists from 5, 3 elements. 5, 7, 8. And X consists from 1 and 2. From Y, 5 and 1. Then 5 and 2. 7 and 1. 7 and 2. 8 and 1. 8 and 2. It is a first way is called arrow diagram. Second way is called graphical diagram. We start from Ly, so we will write Y here and X here. Ly consists from 3 elements, 5, 7, 8. And X 1 and 2. Five, 7, 8, 1, 2. We have 5 and 1. Yes, put here 5 and 1. Then 5 and 2. Put here 5 and 2. Put a dot. Then 7 and 1. 7 and 2. Then 8 and 1 and 8 and 2. This is called graphical diagram. Graphical diagram. Let's check our answer. Yes, Y times X. Y consists from 5, 7, 8 times 1 and 2. ال 5 pair with 1 ال 5 pair with 2 ال 7 pair with 1 pair with 2 ال 8 pair with 1 ال 8 pair with 2. And this is similarly we can represent y times x by two ways as a follow arrow diagram and Cartesian diagram. Thank you very much.